आपका सीधा ना आ जाए, आपका सीधा ना आ जाए। और कैलीग्राफी में क्या होता है ना कि अपन मतलब जितना ट्राई करें स्लैंट निकालना उतना वो इफेक्टिव लगता है। सो वी हैव टू होल्ड दिस पेन इन एंगल 45 डिग्री का एंगल में, एंड देन वी हैव टू स्टार्ट दिस फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट, देन just this thing. Now we have to make sure, we have to see कि ये कहाँ से जा रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है यहाँ से. So the thick strokes go from here and fill in. So these are the basic strokes which are required for doing the calligraphy. Fox calligraphy में ये सब thick stroke ज़्यादा use होता है. Okay. So now हम लोग देखेंगे कि लेटर्स को कैसे फॉर्म करना है. ठीक है. डिफरेंट स्ट्रोक होता है, तो मैं आपको डाउन स्ट्रोक एग्जैक्टली हर लेटर में कहाँ देना है, कैसे देना है, वो मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी, सो दैट आपको बहुत इजी हो जाएगा सीखने के लिए.
Yeah. Hey Apeksha, can you speak in English and Hindi as well, since a lot of people are requesting to speak in English, so you can repeat both, right?
Okay, yeah, I'll do
kind of, yeah, thank you.
Okay. So yeah, I'll repeat it again. So basically each letter is made up of different strokes. So today I'm going to show how the down stroke, which is very important in calligraphy. So I'm going to show in every letter where we can give the down stroke, where it is, where it will be more effective and it will be very easy to understand. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to show you the first letter A. So first what I'll do, I'll just break the letter so that it will be easy for you to understand कि कैसे करना, like how to do. Yeah. So it is, the letters are all the combinations which make the alphabet. Okay. So first is A. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide this A. So first it is oval. Can you see this? Plus this stroke. Yeah. So the final output is this stroke and this stroke. So in this case, if you don't understand like where to put the thick stroke, so what you have to do, you have to just keep an eye like where your pen goes from. So it goes from this side to this side, and the basic thing is like whenever it comes from up to down, वहाँ होगा thick stroke. So here it goes from this side to this side. Okay. So यहाँ से नीचे आ रहा है. It is coming down from this side. So we'll add a line to this, and yeah, same applies here. So it is down. It is coming down. Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll just add a line here. What we have to keep in mind is while we do letters now, we have to keep this stroke, thin, so that आगे आप जो भी लेटर ऐड करो, so you can easily add this thing. Yeah, it is the entry stroke. We call it as entry stroke. This is an entry stroke. It comes in almost every alphabet, so that it can help to join the another letter. So now we are going to look another letter. Yeah. So we are going to, what we'll do first, we'll write all the alphabets, and then I'll try to show you where we have to add the thick stroke. So first I'll divide all the letters. Yeah. So this is A. This plus this, A. This stroke plus this stroke, B. C. P. So basically what I'm doing is, I'm just dividing the letters so that it will be easy to understand. E. So can you see all this strokes?
Hello. Yeah. Hey, Apeksha, can you unmute yourself? May I request Vijay?
Oh my god, I'm on mute.
Yeah. Abhi, I guess it's audible, guys, right? Can you say something, Apeksha?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. You are audible now.
I was not on mute. Okay, fine. Actually, I wasn't speaking anything. I was writing the letters. I was dividing them to show.
Great. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So this is K. Yes. So basically, whatever I'm doing, it has all the strokes. So I'll show you with this first, then I'll complete everything. Okay. So now can we listen? So what we do, we take this oval from this side to this side. So this goes from here. So the downstrokes come here, right? And whenever the line goes from this side to this side, I mean, it goes from upside to downside, we have to, it is for sure that we have to make it a double line so that we can give it a thick stroke. Yeah. So here I'm going to add a line. Same as here, it goes from here, upside to downside. So here, upside to downside. We have it depends on alphabets. Like or we do it from right side, but it depends on alphabets. Like I'll show you. See, it is all about thick stroke. See? So it is going from up to down. We have to make sure. I mean, अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो just take a pencil and do this thing. Write over it. So you will eventually get to know कि आप कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हो. So it automatically will make you understand कि आपको double line कहाँ लेना है. So now यहाँ मैंने लिया. Yeah. Again this side. Okay. And this side. ये ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है. So they are doing this. Now L. Again this stroke. And ये ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, right? जहाँ भी so yeah. ये मैंने हर जगह ये देखा है कि मेरा पेन कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है, like किस direction में जा रहा है. From which side it is going up to down. So that will decide where is the thick stroke, where will we place the thick stroke. So I'm going to show the output here. See, yeah, this is the output of this. ये यहाँ से नीचे ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है, so we'll make sure कि यहाँ भी double line हो. See how it looks. Same applies to all the alphabets. B. This is the entry stroke जो हमें हर अल्फाबेट के लिए लेना है. So this goes here and out. This is B. अब ये यहाँ से नीचे आ रहा है. So I'll give it a double line here. And then यहाँ से ये ऊपर से फिर मैंने चेक किया ये कहाँ से आ रहा है. So ये ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है. So I'll put a double line here. Again, C. ओके आप लोगों को ये बेसिक तो समझ में ही आया होगा, राइट? तो मैं आपको एक वर्ड लिख के दिखाती हूँ, यानी मतलब कि I'll show slowly. Yeah, fine. What we do is we make an alphabet, right? This plus this becomes A, right? So calligraphy is mainly it is about thick stroke. So we have to check where the stroke is going from. Okay, हमारा पेन कहाँ से मूव हो रहा है, या सो वी हैव टू सी कि ऊपर से नीचे कहाँ जा रहा है. सो मैं ये यहाँ से नीचे जा रहा है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई जस्ट ऐड अ लाइन हियर एंड आई जस्ट फिल इन हियर. सेम हियर, मेरा ये वाला स्ट्रोक ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, राइट? एबल टू सी, नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई जस्ट ऐड अ लाइन हियर and I'll fill in here. Okay, same goes for B. I'm going to take this loop plus the oval and out is equal to the center loop brush pen में क्या होता है, we directly do that. We don't have to fill in or anything. But कई बार ऐसे होता है कि we don't have the material, so we can do this definitely. Yeah. So now C. C is very simple. Just we have to draw the normal C and then we have to add a line. Whenever this goes from up to down, we have to draw double line, then fill in it. Now D. This stroke plus this stroke is equal to this stroke. Can you see this? Now again we have to see my pen goes from this direction to this direction, right? This direction to this direction. So what I'll do, I'll just add a line here and fill in it again. Again, see, it goes from down to up to down. So again, here. Can you see?
Hey Apeksha, I think there's some issue with your bandwidth, with your internet connection.
Okay.
Yeah. Could you just wait for a few seconds? I think your video is stuck. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. I'll just
Yeah. Hey.
stop video and I'll again.
या हाँ, एक बार वीडियो ऑफ करके ऑन करो.
ओके,
या
दिख रहा है.
हाँ, इट्स showing that could you draw something? Hello. Yeah, Apeksha, you can just exit and enter again. I think that would be better. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, so she has exited, so she'll enter once again. Sorry about this. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Meanwhile, if anyone has any issues, you can type in the chat box. Yeah, she's here. I think कुछ लोगों का चल नहीं रहा, like they are not able to hear. So नीचे जो है, I'll show you. नीचे एक basically mic का होगा बटन, उसको दबाओ and select जो भी एक, मतलब एक ही ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा. बेसिकली आप उस पर क्लिक कर दो, वाईफाई और सेल्यूलर डेटा ऐसे करके एक ऑप्शन आएगा. सो क्लिक ऑन दैट, राइट. So if you click on that, then it should work. Yeah, Apeksha is here.
Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible. And sorry guys, जिसका ऑडियो इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, you can ping me afterwards, तो मैं आपको समझा दूंगा कि आगे के क्लासेस में आपको क्या करना है. So yeah, Apeksha, you can
I
continue.
am audible. Am I audible?
Yeah, it's audible, visible. You can continue. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So the last letter we saw was D. Yeah. Now we are going to see the alphabet E. What we are going to do? We are going to draw normal E, and again we are going to see कि up to down. हर लेटर में ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि अपने को ये देखना है कि वेयर इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम, इन विच डायरेक्शन इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम. सो इट गोज फ्रॉम हियर एंड डाउन. सो ये यहाँ से नीचे आ रहा है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल add again a line and this E. Okay, so now the next letter is F. F, right? Again the same thing. Yeah. G. बेसिकली क्या होता है, हम लोग कर्सिव में जब कर्सिव राइटिंग करते हैं ना, तो वी डोंट लिफ्ट अप आवर पेन, बट इन कैलीग्राफी वी हैव टू लिफ्ट अप आवर पेन. दिखता वो ऑलमोस्ट इसके अल्फाबेट्स वगैरह दिखेंगे आपको सेम ही, बट we have to lift up the pen so that it gives an effective look. Yeah. So now G, again oval. Yeah. अब ये ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है. And I'll just do it till the curve. Yeah. And then I'll fill in. Yeah. Okay. Now H. Basically it is this plus this stroke. Yeah. So we are going to do this ascender loop, and then we are going to join this, connect this, and then out. Yeah. Again, up to down. We have to find the direction कि ये कहाँ से ऊपर आ रहा है, कहाँ से नीचे जा रहा है. And make sure कि whenever we make the double line, it should differentiate. I mean वो अलग दिखना चाहिए, thin stroke और thick stroke. This is thick stroke and this is thin stroke. It should look different. ये दोनों एक ही साइज के नहीं होना चाहिए. Yeah. I'll give you example here. see, if I'm making H here, right, और मैं इसको ऐसा डबल लाइन दे रही हूँ इतना सा ही, यू नो, बट ये डिफरेंशिएट होना चाहिए दोनों स्ट्रोक्स में, थिन स्ट्रोक और थिक स्ट्रोक में, तभी वो इफेक्टिव लगेगा. So what we'll do is we'll just make it a bit bigger so that we are able to differentiate it easily. Yeah, it automatically, gives a different look to it. Yeah. Now I again ये ऊपर से आ रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है. So what we have to do is ये जहाँ भी लाइन खत्म होगा ना, we have to just stop there. We don't have to, move this stroke here again for thick stroke. We just have to do this and end it here so that ये अलग से दिखे. Hi. Same applies for this is a descender loop. This thing is called and this thing is called as a ascender loop. Yeah, जो ऊपर से आएगा वो ascender loop. और जो नीचे से आएगा वो descender loop. ठीक है. We'll make sure again कि ये कहाँ से आ रहा है. So I'll add a double line here and fill in here. Okay, and I adopt. Yeah. Now we are going to see K. K is basically the ascender loop plus a oval and the entry stroke. This is called the entry stroke. Okay. So the outcome is ascender loop. We have to join it here and draw oval and join it here at this point, the end point, and we will again take a entry stroke. Yeah. Now we'll check. It goes from this direction to this. So I'm going to add line a stroke here. Again, it goes from here to here. पर से नीचे. So I'll add a stroke, a छोटू सा stroke here, and it's done. This is K. Yeah. L. Again. Thick stroke. Yeah. We have to make sure कि इसमें भी gap रह जाए. So it looks pretty. Yeah. Yeah. M. Now M. All the alphabet is only about thick and thin strokes. Yeah. Then this stroke. This is then this. This is under 10 strokes. This is about under 10 strokes. Okay. So again, we have to see where the pen goes from up to down. So it goes from here to here. So we have to add a stroke here in both the sides, here and here. We don't have to, we don't have to take it towards the end. We just have to end it here. Okay. So the outcome is this, and we have to make sure always whenever we draw the letters now, we have to join these 2 points, end to end point, so that it ends here and it starts from here. Okay. So this stroke, this is the end point of this stroke. Now I am going to make it a start point of another stroke. So it goes from here to here and out. So basically this is over 10 plus under 10. Again, I'm going to see. Now this goes from up to down. So I'll add a 6 stroke here. Again, we have to see यहाँ से ये start हो रहा है and then we are moving towards this direction and going down here. So this is add a line here. Okay? Can you see this? मैं इसको ये फैला नहीं रही. I'm ending it here. जो अगला stroke होगा उसके start point पे I'm ending it. And I'll again fill it. Same applies here. Okay? This is done. Now we are going to see N. It is same as N. Thus we have to use one loop. One overturn. And this goes here and out. Again we have to see ऊपर से नीचे. So we'll add a line here and we'll fill it in. Yeah. Again ऊपर से नीचे. We'll add a line here. And we'll fill in it. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you another alphabet. Now O. Okay. We are going to draw an oval and then we are just going to take it here and इसके थोड़ा सा then take it out. Okay. So basically we get a line, this line a different here. और ये इसको loop करके बाहर आता है. ठीक है? So now this goes from our strokes go from this direction और फिर यहाँ से जाके बाहर होता है, right? So ये ऊपर से नीचे इस direction में जा रहा है. ठीक है? So I'll add a line here. Can you see this? I'll write it again here. O. This is O. Please. Hello.
Yeah. Hey Apeksha, your video is stuck again. Like आपका इंटरनेट फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है, so due to that बीच बीच में थोड़ा से इश्यूज आ रहा है. या एक बार एग्जिट होके फिर से एंट्री करोगे क्या आप क्विकली? या ठीक है guys, so yeah, just like I'll also give you, since quite a people are asking, so basically हम एक workshop भी conduct कर रहे हैं with Asta. So if anyone wants to know the further details, you can ping me. So I'll just share my phone number. You can ping me here. So I will send you the brochure and everything. Just a second. Yeah. या बेसिकली आप व्हाट्सएप पे पिंग कर सकते हो एंड टू मी या आप पिंग माय नंबर. सो या इन केस anyone wants to know a bit more about the workshop. Yeah, I think sorry about this, she's having some internet issues at her place. Yeah, she is in. Apeksha, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Actually, able to hear me
Yes, yes.
and able to see my video.
Yep, yep, yeah. You can continue. No issue.
I'm so sorry, everyone. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, Apeksha, you can start from
Yeah,
O again.
yeah. I'll show again. Okay. So in O, what we have to do, we have to make an oval here. Like पूरा oval नहीं बनाना है. Like you know this thing, and then we have to just take it here, थोड़ा सा फैला के, and starting point से थोड़ा सा नीचे लेके we have to just take it out. You know, then we have to check again कि वो कहाँ से जा रहा है, loop कहाँ से हो रहा है. Okay, so it is starting from here, then it is going from here, यहाँ आके, then it is looping again and then out. So हमने ये देखा कि ये यहाँ से नीचे जा रहा है. So basically what we have to do, we have to add a thick stroke here and fill in it. Okay, everyone got it? Stroke to oval and ये जहाँ हम लोग एग्जिट करेंगे ना, जहाँ इससे ज्वाइन होगा, we have to just take it out. Yeah, so ये basically Q जैसा दिखेगा, right? So it will look like ऊपर से, and then we have to join this thing. You know, जहाँ भी जो दूसरा लेटर का एंट्री पॉइंट होगा, we have to join this to first thing. So I'm doing this oval and then I'm taking it out. So in this, यहाँ से ये ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, right? And then ये यहाँ से नीचे हो रहा है. You know, strokes. I'll show you P again. See this thing, and you see this. Then I will add a stroke here, a double line. Then I'll see कि ये ऊपर से नीचे पूरे इसमें कहाँ जा रहा है. तो ये यहाँ से ये नीचे आ गया. So this is P. ठीक है? Now the now another alphabet Q. So Q is basically, it is very different from our alphabets. मतलब दिखने में. So we have to do an oval here and we have to draw a F. So कर्सिव वाला F निकालना है हमें. So this plus this will become alphabet Q. So I'm drawing an oval, F wala stroke, and then out. So this is the Q in calligraphy, in folk calligraphy. Again, I'm going to see कि ये कहाँ से, from where it is going. Yeah. So we can see our entry point is this. So we are moving our pen to this direction and this direction. I'm taking it down to up and up to down. So we have to look from where we are going up to down. So again, here a stroke. I'm going to fill in it. Again, same as here. ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है. So what I'll do, I'll add a stroke here and I'll take it down. So this is Q alphabet. Okay. Now we are going to move forward with R alphabet. So this is R alphabet. Okay. And we are going to add this round here. So how it will be, how it will come. Entry stroke, a dot here. You see this? We have to fill this round. Then we have to take this out here and out. Yeah. So अभी इसमें भी we have to see कि ये कहाँ से again we have one, not a thick one. मतलब इसका end. अगर मैंने ये यहाँ से thick भी लिया है तो I'll not make here thick. I'll always keep this thin so that I can add alphabet here. Meet.
Yeah, hey अपेक्षा, हाँ वो बीच में थोड़ा stuck हुआ था again. I
हुआ
don't
था
know,
ना,
I
but now
think.
visible ना.
Yeah, now it's visible. But
Yeah.
again, your bandwidth is a bit low. उसके वजह से, yeah, it's
Actually
getting
weather
stuck. And
condition. Yeah.
yeah, sorry about this, guys.
I'm so sorry,
Um,
everyone. But now is it visible now?
Yeah.
I'll show
Yeah,
R
it's
again.
visible.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to draw entry stroking. Okay? Then a round. Then again a stroke here and out. Basically, ये normal R की तरह ही दिखेगा. Just we have to add on the thick stroke. So we have to look again कि कहाँ से in this direction it is going from. Okay? So ये यहाँ से ये तो ऊपर नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है, तो कोई चांस नहीं यहाँ thick stroke ऐड करने का. यहाँ गैप है, so we have to fill in here. Okay? And then यहाँ आने के बाद whenever we take this stroke and then we have to move down. Okay? So यहाँ से हम लोग ऊपर से नीचे जा रहे हैं. So we'll add a stroke here, right? And then this is our, okay? Now S, we have to, normal S it is. We have to take this S here, but ज़्यादा curvy नहीं करते हैं अपन. We don't make it more curvy. So like here, we just take it out. Yeah? This is S. Again we have to see, ये कहाँ से, ये अपन ने stroke लिया, and then it is coming from this direction, नीचे, right? So what I'll do is, I'll add a thick stroke. Okay. Now the letter T, very simple. Normal T and a line. So again, ऊपर से नीचे ये जा रहा है, ठीक है? So again add a thick stroke and yeah. Okay. Now we are going to look letter U. This is overturn plus this. Okay. So now we'll see ऊपर से नीचे इस direction में जा रहा है. So again I'll do this. Almost thick strokes are in right side. बस कुछ alphabets में like R हो गया, उसमें we do it in, then again ये stroke ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, right? Then we'll again, yeah. So basically ये पूरा बनेगा this stroke and this stroke, ठीक है? We just have to add so this is our U. Same for V. Yeah, a thin stroke. Then I'm going to again a thin stroke, and then I'll just take it a bit curve, and then a loop and out. Yeah, so ये जा रहा है ऊपर से नीचे, right? So we have to just add a line here. ठीक है? And then okay. Now U is just, you know, 2 undertones. Yeah, and wherever we are going to end another undertone, we have to just take a loop and out, just like V. Yeah, so it will come as a undertone connected to a undertone and out. Yeah, so now I'll again see from which direction it is going, from here and again from here. Baki everything, it is going down to up. Yeah, so I'll add a thick stroke here, a thick stroke here. Okay, and then I'll fill it. Okay, now X. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a curve here. Okay, and then a normal thin stroke. So in this we see this curvy line, it goes from up to down, and this thin stroke goes from down to up. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll just add a line here and to its end. Okay, can you see this? And then I'm just going to fill it. So this is our X. Now Y. Y is about undertone and descender loop. Okay, so it comes as undertone. Then I'm going to join this and descender. Okay, so I'll see कि ये वापस again I have to see ये यहाँ से नीचे आ रहा है और ये
Yeah, hey guys. I think her internet got dropped off. Just a second, she'll be back. Sorry about this. Actually, the weather conditions at her place aren't good today, so that is why ये issue हो रहा है. Extremely sorry about this. Yeah, just a second, I'll ping her. Yeah. Okay, great guys. So yeah, basically, since quite many people were asking, so basically, right. So basically, जो workshop होगा, it will be a 3-week workshop. So the workshop will be on brush pen calligraphy, and basically the kit will also be included. हम आपको kit आपके घर पे parcel कर देंगे brush pen की, right? So the price is 650 रुपए, right? So if anyone is interested, I will send you the brochure. So 3 week का workshop है, each week 2 classes होंगी, and the kit will be included. हम आपके घर parcel करेंगे kit. So yeah, this is my number. I've pinged if anyone wants to, if anyone is interested, so do ping me, right? So I'll tell in English. So it's a 3 week workshop on brush pen calligraphy, right? And the kit will also be included. Each week there will be 2 classes, right? So the charge, so basically the charge is 650 rupees for the whole workshop, right? So if anyone is interested, please ping me. I've pinged my WhatsApp number in the chat. I'll ping once again just in case. So yeah, Apeksha is here. We can continue. Yeah, Apeksha, can you unmute yourself?
Audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So now the last alphabet, it's the letter Z. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a 3, the digit 3, and just in the end, we are just going to take a look and out. Okay? So now, again we have to check कि ये कहाँ से ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है, so that we can add a thick stroke to it. Okay? So, यहाँ से ये नीचे आ रहा है, so I'm going to add a thick stroke here. Again, we are taking a loop here, and again it is coming from ऊपर से नीचे. So I'm going to add a thick stroke again here, and then okay. So we are done with the alphabets here. Now I'm going to show how we join the letters and make a word. Okay. So basically, you can write it in script writing or a print writing. So basically, there are three steps. First is we have to write a word. Okay. Write a word. So I'm going to write here hello. We can write it in both script or print. I'm going to show you in both the ways, okay? So this is the entry stroke. I'm going to use the entry stroke for every letter so that I can join and make it a one word. So I'm going to I'm going to write a hello here. H. Again, I'm going to end it here and start it here. And then I'm going to add another letter. Again, entry, the end point. I'm going to make it the entry point for another alphabet. Double L. Again, the end point and entry point for another letter. And O.
Yeah, hey guys. So yeah, I think this is the end of the session today, right? And let Apeksha join again. So if anyone wants to ask anything to me or to her, you can ask, right? So this was the class today. So we taught you A to Z. Yeah. So I will again, since quite a few people are asking, so the workshop will be on brush pen calligraphy, right? 3 week ka workshop hoga. So the workshop will be of 3 weeks, each week there will be 2 classes, right? And yeah, so the brush pen will be provided by us. So आपके address पे आ जाएगा. We'll parcel it to you, right? Yeah, great. So if anyone wants to ask something to Apeksha, you can ask. She is here. And also, Abhi, I will circulate a feedback form on the group. So you can, so please fill that feedback form. So in that, there is also a question regarding the workshop, that if you are interested in attending the workshop or not. So if you are interested, uh, specify yes there, and we will contact you. Great. Yeah, Apeksha, I'm sending you a request to unmute. Yeah. Hey, Apeksha. So yeah, let's close the class today here. And I think you are still on mute. Yeah. Hey, Apeksha.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's close the class here. If anyone wants to
Yes,
ask
yes,
something.
this is the last
Sorry.
thing.
Yeah. Just take this thing, last thing, and let's close it off. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just going to show the outcome, how it looks. Yeah. So I've just added the lines to a word, hello. So now I'm going to show the outcome, how it looks after adding the downstroke and filling in it. So hello. And hey, okay. So I'm going to just add the stroke. So yeah, can you see? It is the outcome. Means?
Yeah,
Hello?
Apeksha. Yeah. It's visible.
Yeah.
Great. Guys, so I will open the mic if anyone wants to ask something. So Apeksha, you want to speak a bit about the workshop? You can explain what all things they'll be
Yeah, I
learning.
will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I will open the mic. Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, I'm going to take a workshop of brush pen calligraphy. It is same as fox calligraphy, but the thing is, what we do, we use a brush pen in that. We practice it with brush pen itself. We don't have to, add a thin stroke or we don't have to add a thick stroke to it. It will eventually come. And yeah, it is of 6 days course. I'll be taking 2 days in a week, and the kits will be provided by me. I'll supply all the materials to you which will be required, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Actually,
great.
I'm a newbie, so I am so scared. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I am. So basically, I'm pinging my WhatsApp number again. If since a lot of people are asking, you can ping me here, and I will specify the brochure and everything. So I am opening the mic. So if anyone wants to unmute and
version.
हेलो
yeah,
भैया हेलो
हाँ, hello.
भैया वो रिटर्न का स्क्रीनशॉट लेते उसका दिखाओ पेज
हाँ, राइट. सो बेसिकली ये पूरा वीडियो अपलोड हो जाएगा यूट्यूब पे. सो आप उधर से देख सकते हो. क्या?
भैया
सॉरी. हाँ. यस. तो ये पूरा वीडियो अपलोड हो जाएगा ना यूट्यूब चैनल विद इन 15-20 मिनट्स. तो आप वहां से सब देख सकते हो अगेन, राइट, एवरीथिंग.
हाँ भैया.
Excuse me, sir.
थैंक यू. या हर्षिता.
Uh,
Yes,
Sir,
please.
next 6 classes will be held. I mean, we have to pay the fee for that.
या हाँ, सो वो पेड क्लासेस होगा, सो दैट वुड बी हाईली इंटरैक्टिव. सो जो लोग पे करेंगे वही लोग के लिए ये वर्कशॉप है.
Sir, how much?
So the charge, so basically the charge is 650 rupees, including the kit. So we will provide you the kit and everything.
Sir, if we have our own kit,
If you have their own kit, तो 100 rupees off हो जाएगा.
okay, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, may I know when the Q classes will be conducted?
So the classes will be starting from after a week. Next week से start होगा.
Sir, after how many days we will have calligraphy class again?
Again, it's hard to say, but at least I would say 14-15 days at least. 2 weeks, after 2 weeks at least. ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, right? तो हाँ.
We can suggest.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
May I speak?
Yeah, you can speak.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I just want to say this was an amazing session. You
Thank
guys,
you.
Wave Club. I just connected yesterday to this. I
Yeah.
spoke to you meet yesterday. This is
Okay.
a amazing initiative. I really like
Thank
this,
you.
and I'm sure I'm going to share it with my friends and family, and many of them
For
will
sure.
join.
Thank you.
This is very nice, and Apeksha has thought it very beautifully. Well done.
Thank you so
Very well
Thank you.
executed. I just
Thank
wanted to
you.
ask one thing.
Yeah.
The hobby classes that you all are conducting again and again,
Hmm.
are they repeated or they are new things?
नहीं. So basically, hobby classes होंगे repeat, but you know the frequency won't be that much. So let's say calligraphy class आज हुआ, so the next calligraphy class would be after, let's say, would be like at least after 15 days के बाद होगा.
So the content will be same or it
No.
gets changed?
Slightly change होता है,
Okay.
but
Like a new
usually,
teacher maybe to teach.
Yeah. Instructor will get changed, right? And we will
Okay.
ensure that the content is not same, 100%
Okay.
same, right? थोड़ा सा
Okay.
overlap will be for sure, but हाँ,
Okay.
we'll try that.
This was
Yeah.
amazing. I'm sure there were like 300 participants when we joined, and I could see many of them were actually writing, including me.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
actually tried everything. So this is a superb
That's great.
initiative. Very good. Thank you.
That's great. Thanks a lot, Meenal. Thanks a lot that you are
Thank
liking
you
our
so much.
initiative. Yeah.
हेलो सर, यूट्यूब
Yes.
लिंक ग्रुप पे शेयर कर देना.
हाँ, so
कॉलीग्राफी के
everything is
अलावा कौन
uploaded.
कौन सी वर्कशॉप्स होती हैं?
Right. So like basically if you check our Instagram page, right? So हम क्या करते हैं कि weekly schedules upload कर देते हैं कि इस week कौन से classes होने वाली है, right? So अगले week का schedule will be uploaded in a day or two, right? तो वहाँ पे पूरे week का schedule आ जाता है
वो
कि
जब आगे
कौन से दिन.
क्लासेस होंगी तो
हाँ.
आप हमें रिमाइंड कर देंगे.
हाँ, ग्रुप पे
कर
like
सकें.
हाँ, so basically WhatsApp ग्रुप पे सारे टेक्स्ट और डिटेल्स आ जाते हैं, राइट? सो उधर जो भी आता है टेक्स्ट आप प्लीज उसे देख लो. तो उधर हम सारी इंफॉर्मेशन डालते हैं, यूट्यूब चैनल एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? तो
Hello.
हाँ.
हाय सर, थैंक यू.
या
Sir.
गुड.
हाय सर.
हाय हेलो.
आप जो किट प्रोवाइड करने वाले हो उस किट में क्या क्या होगा?
अपेक्षा, कैन यू आंसर दिस? Apeksha is going to provide.
Yeah. Sorry, I was not able to hear you. Can you please repeat?
Apeksha, so kit में क्या क्या होगा?
Okay, so kit includes basically of a workbook जिसमें आपको सारे alphabets, stroke, numbers, words, you know, ये सब practice sheets वगैरह वो सब होगा. You will have a workbook and you will have a kit. You will have a brush pen box which will contain 10 brush pens and some freebies by me, and also I'm going to actually it's a complimentary thing that I'm going to show you how to do a water background using those brush pens, so that जब भी आप करोगे calligraphy on that, it will look very nice. You know, you can use it on many like आप किसी को कुछ gift करना चाहते हो या whatever it is, so that will be very helpful.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
sir,
Thank you.
you may know other classes like calligraphy, art, and drawings. We have some crafts and
Yeah,
shading
so
classes.
yeah. So we have sketching. So in the past, we have had sketching classes and yoga classes
Sir,
and a
can
lot
we
of
get shading classes in this wave club?
shading classes will also be conducted, yeah, in future for sure, in a week or two. So basically, the intent is that you fill the feedback form, and in that form, you can specify us anything, right? What you want to learn in future,
Sir,
right?
where can
What
we
classes
put feedback?
Excuse me, ma'am.
on the WhatsApp group? On the
Okay,
WhatsApp
sir.
group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Excuse
think
me,
some-
sir. All these
Yes.
workshop classes will be on YouTube.
Workshop classes won't be on YouTube.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So these
No,
free
no.
classes are on YouTube. Workshop classes won't be on YouTube.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
Can I leave?
Yeah.
when we
अभी कुछ important ज़्यादा नहीं है तो can I leave?
Yeah. For sure, Samya.
Okay, thank you so
Those
much.
who want to leave, yeah, they can leave. The session is over. Or if you want to stay and ask anything to us or Apeksha,
No,
you
no,
can.
all clear. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
You tell about lowercase letters. What about uppercase letters, ma'am?
Yeah, it is included in workshop, ma'am.
Yeah,
This
okay.
was
Thank
just,
you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can't get uppercase letters in this free classes.
Sorry.
Ma'am, can't we get uppercase letters in the free classes?
Yeah. Hey, Teju. So, I mean, it's not possible to teach everything, right, in these free classes. So, the intent of
It's
these
just an hour,
classes
no?
is to give you an exposure, right? What is calligraphy all about, right? I mean, we can't teach everything in these free classes, right? I mean, so yeah, that's the idea here.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
So for how many days this workshop will be conducted?
6 days, 3 weeks, each week 2 classes, in total 6 classes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what will be the timing, sir?
So timings are a bit flexible as of now, but usually it will be in the evening 6 to 7 या फिर 7 to 8, ये दोनों में से होगा.
Okay. So means the uppercase and lowercase letters.
Yeah,
ये मतलब
everything.
सब बताया जाएगा
Uppercase,
उसमें.
lowercase. Yeah. So basically, if you are interested, ping me, and then I will send you the whole. I will basically send you the brochure.
Okay. All right.
In
Thank
each
you.
class आप क्या सीखोगे? Yeah. Just एक बार आप
Excuse
मुझे
me,
ping कर
sir.
दो, and I'll send you. Yeah.
Sir, is it okay for beginners to join the workshop? I mean,
Yeah. It is for beginners, right? Beginners, intermediate, both can join.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, great guys. So let's
Hello.
take a couple of more
Can I
questions
speak?
and then I'll. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please suggest which company brush pen is better for beginners?
I think Camlin is best because I also started it with Camlin. It is very flexible and easy to use, and also easily available in
Okay.
any store. Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Anyone?
Yeah. If if anyone wants to ask something, I'll just wait for a minute and then I will close the session.
So which brush pens will you provide in the workshop kit? Can you give the idea of what the company will be?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm going to provide you Little Artist wala. It has both, a chota wala tip and a bada wala tip, so that you can use both the ways.
So will it be dual brush pen?
Yeah, dual brush pen. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, great guys. So thanks a lot for joining. And if agar I see a lot of questions, on the workshop. So do one thing, ping me and I will send you the brochure. So brochure is everything कि आप क्या क्या सीखोगे and dates क्या है and fees क्या and everything. So yeah, do ping me and yeah, I will send you the brochure so you can have a look any which ways. No harm in having a look at the brochure. ठीक है, all right, and please feedback form याद से भर देना. I have basically pinged the form on the WhatsApp groups, right? So please fill the feedback form. And great, kal we have Zumba class on Saturday and on Sunday we have dance class. So yeah, stay tuned. A lot many classes are
Trial
coming
version.
in the future. And yeah, thanks a lot Apeksha for the class. It was a great class.
Sir, can I ask
Yeah.
your question?
Yeah, go ahead. Hello.
Version.
Yeah, I think whoever wanted to ask the question, I think. Great. So guys, if anyone has any question, 1 more minute and then I will close it.
Trial version.
Sir, any offline class available?
Offline class, Apeksha, do you take offline classes? I think yes. But if you are in Indore itself, she's in Indore. So if you want to fly to Indore every day. So
Yeah, I will for sure.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Great. I mean, but you can learn online also, right? Like since आज थोड़ा सा issue था, network issue from her end, but
Yeah,
usually
actually, network.
होता नहीं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weather problems. You can't help it.
Yeah. Great everyone. So I'm ending the session now. Yeah.
सर आप जैसे कैलीग्राफी, पेंटिंग, स्केचिंग आप ये सब सिखाते हो, तो आप म्यूजिकल भी कुछ सिखाते हो?
हाँ. So अगले हफ्ते we have a guitar class on Tuesday. Most probably it hasn't finalized yet. But हाँ. So I mean check out our Instagram page. वहाँ पे आपको सब दिख जाएगा कि past में कैसे classes करवाए हैं हमने and in future कौन से classes आएंगे, right? So follow our Instagram page. I think वहाँ से you will be able to understand everything, what kind of classes we do.
Also do follow my Art by Apeksha page.
Yeah, for sure. Like follow her also. And yeah, if someone wants to draw something and ping us, do ping us. Like आज की क्लास में जो सीखा and आप draw करके उसको Instagram पे डाल रहे हो, so do tag us so that we will feature it on our Instagram story also. Yeah, great guys. So thanks everyone for attending today's class. Hope to see you all in future in our classes ahead. So yeah, bye everyone. I'm closing the meeting now. Great. Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Yeah, have a good day.